Terrain mixer baking is really simple and straightforward. Before we continue, know this: if you want to collect some free magic, make sure to click this button and see what will happen to your body weight tomorrow, right after you wake up. You won't believe it. Here we are inside Terrain Mixer 2.0.3, and as you can see, although marked as Blender 3.1.2, this version will work with 3.2 without any problems. First, I'll make some tectonic changes to the default terrain, just so you can remind yourself how easy it is. I won't be using Mask Geo or any of that stuff, although it would be nice to add a canyon or two with Mask Curve. We'll just mix a bit, mirror on Y-axis, clip from the top, add Scatter Master to the mix, distort and alienize. I think that should do it. So, when you're done with the terrain, go to the baking workspace. Once inside, all you have to do is select the right output. You will see how the viewport will change when you do it. Also, remember that you can adjust the strength of the height map before baking. Regarding resolution, you will want to set it to square 4K or 8K. I usually bake at 8K. Since the samples for the height map and color texture can be set to 1, you really don't have to worry too much about the render times. Of course, when rendering beauty shots, final renders, you will increase the sample count. If you haven't already, select the right camera for baking. Press F12 and wait. Save the height map as an OpenEXR. Now that we're done with baking, you can hide the terrain and start using your maps. Since there's already a terrain object named Terrain Baked Height Map Example in the scene, I won't bother creating a new one. This terrain has a nice procedural texturing features, but we just want to use the color map that we've baked previously. Let's leave the color texture for later. We'll first want to change the height map, which is used for terrain displacement. Go to the Modifiers tab and replace the height map, which drives the displacement modifier, with the one that we've just baked. When that's been taken care of, you can do the same for the color texture. Nice! If you want to do a render of your terrain, make sure to set the right resolution and also set the camera called Working Camera to be your active camera. You can adjust the displacement strength as well. You can also use the baked height map inside Terrain Mixer GN. Remember, if you want to bake terrain configuration to mesh and export it as an OBJ or FBX, you will want to apply the modifiers, in this case subdivision surface and displacement modifiers. That's all.